The University of Miami online Master of Science in Nursing Informatics degree is designed for registered Florida nursing professionals interested in a career in the growing healthcare informatics field. Our program provides you with the opportunity to earn the MSN in Nursing Informatics degree from the University of Miami with the flexibility to complete it online. The Miami Online MSN in Nursing Informatics program will provide a well-rounded healthcare education to help you develop the strategic insights and knowledge needed in hospital, healthcare organizations, and informatics industry in general. The program is 34 credits in total and can be completed in less than 2 years. Students take one class at a time that spans 7 weeks, allowing them to earn the same MSN in Nursing Informatics while meeting their work commitments. Our program is designed to foster engagement. Whether you are engaging with faculty or with peers, you will have the opportunity to bring theory into practical professional situations. Even though the program is online, you will have a close connection to the University of Miami from day one. The program begins with an introductory video where you will have the opportunity to meet your faculty. Our outstanding faculty will be available for any questions or concerns via email or phone. The program will provide you with the necessary tools to become an informatics professional nurse. The course faculty have extensive real-world experience in nursing informatics and will bring the insights and knowledge gained from their experience into the courses to ensure the students are exposed to the most up-to-date and relevant content.